How to make skin clearing potion juice. Here are the ingredients: 2 carrots, 2 cups of spinach or kale, 1 green apple, 1 cucumber, 1 stalk celery, 1 inch ginger size. The health benefits. Carrots contain lots of vitamin A, which helps maintain skin cells. Carrots, dark, leafy greens, and apples contain beta-carotene, which protects against skin damage. Cucumber contains silicon, a mineral the body uses to improve skin, nails, and hair. Ginger helps to smooth digestion, which will in turn improve skin tone. Drink this skin clearing potion juice every day for 2 weeks period and you will feel changes in your skin and health.